It's very clear that they intend to make sure that this administration fails. I'm getting good intelligence report on daily basis. The question of insecurity in the country is being mentioned all over the world, not only here in Nigeria. But I believe there are Nigerians that will attempt at least to be fair. By what I believed, that I will run the country according to the Constitution. Now, with all these people who want power, whoever they are, have they proved that I was not following the Constitution? Well, am I not leading the country according to the Constitution? What do they want? So whoever wanted diversion or destruction of the system at this point, I think will soon have their shock of their lives. I think we have given them enough latitude. They have made their case. They just wanted to destroy the country. Simple. Because what do they want? And we are concentrating on infrastructure because no country or institution can be developed without infrastructure. Now, for those of us who are unfortunate to be in the field for the 30 months of the Civil War, to see the carnage of how we kill ourselves, at least 1 million people, I think those that are misbehaving, they were either too young, they didn't know what happened. But for those of us who went through all these things, we can't understand. So we will treat them in the language they understand. So I feel for your understanding and so on. We are going to be very hard sooner than later. We have done our best, changed the service chiefs and the IG. We allow them time to go around to make necessary changes for them to be firmly in charge. We'll try and give them the resources they require, and we will demand security sooner than later. I thank you very much for your presentation. I assure you that this administration will do whatever we can do for you so that we don't give anybody excuse to blame us that we don't want to go or want to have a third term.
Good evening, wonderful people. My people all over the Africa. I greet the wonderful of Biafrans, my wonderful people of Biafrans. I greet all the Igbo nations. I greet all the Yoruba nations. I greet all the Hausa nations. I greet all the Ijaw nations. I greet all the ethnic groups in Nigeria. I greet everybody in Africa. I greet all the world, and most especially my wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. It depends on where you are. It depends on where you are staying. Right now is 10 minutes after 9 p.m. in Biafra land. Please, I want to give this very short speech about what is going on right now in our country, or should I say, in our area. It appears that the world have keeping silent over what is going on since over the years. Since 1967 to 1970 to date, what have come to keep mute. They have been keeping mute on this, and they want it to happen again. Look at the speech that the president of Nigeria just gave. He is reminding Biafrans to remember what happened to them. For what manner? I'm asking, for what manner? Why are we struggling to keep peace by killing people in Nigeria? Keeping Nigeria one by killing innocent citizens for nothing. While we know that there is no peace, and those that promote that violence are the same people that are asking for peace. Why are you wasting your time listening to all this? It is high time that we understand what we want. We began to understand what we want, because for us to begin to discuss peace in Nigeria, we are deceiving ourselves. We all know that. You are asking for peace while you are killing the people you are asking for peace from. This is a very, very hit on our people. We must understand that this very speech that this man gives today is an insult to every Igbo man, to every Biafran, to every mean person, every respected person in the whole East. Both the governors, both the senators, both the everybody that is working in that very Nigeria and outside Nigeria. This is a big slap and a big remembrance. He is trying to remember your pains. He wants to remember your pains. He's telling you that you don't know why the agitation is going on. You don't know what the people want. He said it clearly. You don't know what the people want. What did they want? This is a question from the president. He don't know what the people want, but he's killing them. So why are you killing them if you don't know what they want? Does it mean that you can't listen to what they're saying? Does it mean you don't know what they are speaking? Are they speaking a strange language? They are saying that they are being marginalized, they are being humiliated, they are being killed. The Fulani men, your people are being raping our mothers, killing our children, slaughtering our sisters, killing everybody in the land. That is what they are saying. They're saying that enough is enough for all this. That your government keep quiet about this. You are allowing this to keep on happening. Our people have died for this. And no personnel is going after these people. Rather, if someone talk, if any civilian talk, they will go and kill that person. Is it how to run a nation? Is it how to make peace? You are asking for peace and you are promoting violence. Why must we die for peace of Nigeria? Why are we dying to keep Nigeria one? By killing our people, by selling our people, by destroying everything we have as a human being, by vandalizing every properties we have. Why can't us? I don't know why are we begging people for peace? Why our people are dying? Why are you remembering all the pains that we passed through? Remember that I'm alive today is that there's some that survived to give birth to me. And you keep on reminding to me that you killed my parents. You killed them all. That we should remember that is the language we understand. Then it is time for you to play that very language, for you to speak that very language. Let us understand this very language once and for all. It's better we understand this once and for all. If the world want to perish, let it perish. Because we cannot continue dying for nothing. It's better we die for something. We must not die for nothing again. Because our people have died enough. They have been dying every day. No result, no accountability, nothing. No government is not saying anything. Even the governors around that place is not saying anything. No news is reporting this. None of them is rising up to say what is going on.